Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing just a regular old straight pour. I just want to use up some leftover colors. I got some green tones in my head. I got a little vision that I want to do, maybe put something in the house, I don't know. But I want to do a straight pour. I thought about maybe I'll wreck it, I don't know. We'll see what happens when I get down on the canvas. All right, let's get started. I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do today is a straight pour on a gallery wrap 20 by 20 canvas. I'm revisiting a video in colors. So video number 145 of mine, and I'll put a card here so you can link over to it. I'm using the same colors for a straight pour. The only difference is I did it out of a split cup, and today I'm gonna do it out of my beaker cup. The colors today are Amsterdam and Greenish blue, Amsterdam in the yellowish green, Artist Loft soft body white, DecoArt 24K gold, Pebeo iridescent orange yellow, and Liquitex basics in the Phthalo green. All right, so let's get the layer in the cup. The beaker cup is 16 ounces. For a canvas like this, you only need 14 ounces. So I'm probably gonna hover between 14 and 16. What I would like to do is put in a touch of white. A little bit more. I don't want to put too much white because I don't want to have a huge white center. Some gold. And then I'm going to put in the greenish blue. The yellowish green. Touch of white, gold, just a separation of the white there, that orange, that phthalo green. Blue. This is going to be interesting to see how this painting comes out compared to my first one that I did. First one was called Ocean Deep. I've also painted my sides and edges with my greenish blue to help with the transparent edges and sides. I'm going to pour into some white. All right, let's start pouring. I'm going to pour right here in the center. right. Pretty cool looking. I stayed on center better than I normally do. A lot of times my paints end up shifting left because I can't seem to pour straight. What I'm going to do is let this develop a little bit. So this is some leftover paints that I have, so I've thinned it down a little bit. I'm going to pour that along the edge. Okay, let's figure out where the weight of the paint is. Wow. Wow, this is really giving me great ocean vibe. It really does complement that first piece I did. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean up these edges, then I'll bring you in. But wow, the fingerlings that's happening in here, the bubble cells from the white that's coming up, really, really great. I got some things to fix on the corners here, and then I'll bring you guys in. Okay, here we are with the wet result. Now, look at the center of this and look at all the cloudy, poofy cells that are coming up. It's just really magnificent. I love the underwater tones this is giving me. But look, all the colors are represented in there. The orange isn't taking over, which is great. Got a little orange corner there, almost like a salmon. Look at the cells. Look at that, how it's just developing up. Beautiful. And then the fingerlings look like little tadpoles swimming. There's the orange blending in there with the white. Got some really deep, sorry about that. The center of it kind of looks like an eye. A greenish blue. All right, let's see what this looks like when it's dry. I'll be right back. All right, here we are with the dried result. Love the fingerlings and all the white little cloudy cells that popped up here. Looks really cool. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I really like the way this dried. The fingerlings are really cool. The bubble cells are really popping up, giving a little bit of a, kind of like a underwater seaweed, you know, kind of a vibe. But it really dried really good. So definitely gonna put some gloss varnish on that. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Announcement, I am going to be doing a Facebook auction. I did one of those several months ago. Really came out good. I'll probably put like 10, 15 pieces up for a silent auction. It'll last for 1 week. So be on the lookout for that. I'm getting the pieces together. So, all right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great week. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.